Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kavita Chauhan. Friends, I'm not a professional compare. I'm just a professional realtor like all of us here. And a technology user. I welcome all realtor friends of our NAR India and NMAR workshop on role of technology in real estate. At this point, allow me to call upon NMAR founder and president, Mr. Manjeet Singh. Mr. Manjeet Singh, sir. So sorry to pronounce him all and all over again wrong. Is Mr. Mohanjit Singh, founder, president of New Mumbai Association of Realtors.
Hi, good evening everybody, and we welcome all of you to Navi Mumbai Association of Realtors workshop. This is our second workshop in the knowledge series. If you remember, in the month of March, we had our first workshop, which was the first workshop of Navi Mumbai Association of Realtors. This association is just around a year old, it's a baby. And I'm very proud that we've got quality members and we can hold workshops like these. The first workshop was empowering brokers to organize realty. And this workshop is a topic which I'm very passionate about, because I see a lot of my friends and peers, they do a lot of business through computers, and they are there everywhere. If I join any hotel abroad in Italy or in US, I find my friends are there who are having their offices just across the lane, or maybe in Bandra, or maybe in Pune, or maybe in Nasik. I feel very good that I paid $100 and I went to this site and I posted my properties over there. But I feel even better when I see that before me already my friends are there. So I wonder that there is how much to learn in this business. There was a time we would have our book where we would list our properties, make a call to our clients or our buyers, and go for inspections and show them actual physical inspections. But now, as most of you know, कि client आज कितना जानकार है कि वो जब हमें फोन करता है तो वो बोलता है बॉस मुझे ये प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में सब कुछ पता है, मुझे इसका डायमेंशंस पता है, मुझे बिल्डिंग के एमिनिटीज पता है, मुझे भाव चाहिए, सब पता है मुझे. What rate can you give me? What best rate can you give me? Because the client also is using technology, internet to get information. So I have seen a lot of my friends here who are also taught there where we guys are. Like almost every week, every 10 days, I introduce a new friend. Boss, you start advertising your properties in Magic Bricks, you'll do better business. I start advertising it, join NAR India and post your properties with your FLS. You will do better, you will get more exposure. So I also count myself in the middle category. Somewhere I'm there, somewhere I'm not there. So this workshop is extremely useful to us. It's very topical, and I really hope that all of you take value back home. Sahil is a great coach. I have done a few courses I have learned from Sahil. He represents Remax Academy of Real Estate, and he is a trainer, international trainer. He has been making, I did one course with him a few months back, ABR, Accredited Buyers Representative. It was a 2-day program, and I'm also keen to do one more course with him, which is again a 3-day program. It's an international certification course, and that's called CRS, Certified Residential Specialist. I thank all of you for being here and encouraging us by your commitment, by your presence, by your participation to do this workshop. And before we ask Sahil to begin the workshop, I would like to pay my respect to someone who is like my guru. He is the Vice Chairman of NAR India, Mr. Ravi Verma, and he is one of the founder members of NAR India. And I would request Mr. Ravi Verma to come and start the workshop. He is going to start a virtual university in Pune for realtors. All Indian realtors can learn from that university. So I invite Mr. Ravi Verma to come here for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and tell us the importance of education, and then Sahil can kick off. Pankaj, can you please invite Mr. Ravi Verma?
I can't understand, he was to be here.
But Ravi is not here.
He's not come, but he gave me a call and he said
this is not right, Pankaj. This is Navi
he was
Mumbai.
very keen.
Our association is getting insulted. We told you to get him and we have not got him.
I know, we were discussing, this is a great event, and he said that Pankaj, we are going to attend it. And I'm very surprised that there was a sudden change of plan. I am very sorry for this, but don't worry, we have technology with us. And since he said this is an event for technology, and this keeps happening with all of us. So he said, okay, let's cover up. I'm sorry I'll take his award and just present to you what he would have come and done over here, because now he has to do it digitally. So no worries, I have brought a video conference recording where he can be as good as he's here. If you allow me, I can play that little.
Please, let's.
Thank you very much, Manjit. I'll just wait. Complete. Yeah.
Hi guys, can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Good afternoon everybody, this is Ravi Verma. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you personally because there was a conflict of programming, but I am grateful to MJ and Sahil for giving me this opportunity of addressing you for one more training program which is organized by NAR India, and this is an ongoing initiative of ours which helps us to educate, inform and empower our broking community about the latest skills and knowledge available to the industry. Some time ago, you will recall about a decade or so ago that even to make a call to our clients, we used to have to wait until we got back to our offices and had access to our phones.